Indane gas connection transfer. Approach your Indane LPG distributor with your original subscription voucher. The distributor will prepare a transfer termination voucher for the place of your new residence. Approach the nearest Indane LPG distributor who can serve your new place of residence along with your residence proof, TTV and DGCC booklet. The distributor will prepare a Transfer Subscription Voucher (TVS) against your TTV and will give you a new consumer number. These details will be updated in your DGCC booklet. For more information about LPG gas connection, click on the link from the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dial Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.